Hello friend, today we are studying the aquarium water quality and management part first. Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College Nanded, BSc third year, paper number 14, unit number 2nd. Introduction. Water is the most important element. Poor water quality affects the fish and shellfish health through the impairment of development and growth, degrade the quality of product by the turning its favor. Accumulation of high concentration of toxic substance which could dangerous for human health. Selection of source of water decide the efficient production. Freshwater aquaculture, groundwater source, spring and wells maintain the constant temperature and free biological nuisances, less contamination than the surface water source. Salt and brackish water aquaculture is equal to source of water should be available for the any great generation of pollution such as the industries, trained river moths and the aquaculture areas. Fish and shellfish health is very sensitive to water quality. Physiochemical parameter: temperature, turbidity, salinity, alkalinity, acidity, hardness, dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, total gas pressure, nitrogen compound, hydrogen sulfate are basic physiochemical properties. Temperature: water temperature affects the multiple important processes such as the physiological process in fish is the respiration rate, feeding, metabolism, growth and behavior, reproduction, rate of the detoxification and bioaccumulation, dissolved oxygen level in water such as the solubility of oxygen, rate of oxidation of organic matter, solubility of fertilizer can be affected by the temperature, site of selection, ambient temperature, species selection according to the available water temperature. Species and their temperature here are shown in a table. Tropical 39 to 30 optimum growth, 26 to 28 low growth rate, 10 to 15 lethal limit. Warm water 20 to 28 degrees Celsius optimum growth, 0 degrees Celsius lethal limit. Cold water 15 to 20 degrees Celsius optimum growth. Cold water 15 degrees Celsius optimum growth, 25 degrees Celsius lethal growth. Here some species and their temperature are given. You can study turbidity, the measurement of the light penetration in water. Turbidity condition is equal to the dissolved and the suspended solid, clay and microorganisms such as the phytoplankton. Pond turbidity, sediment respiration, biological activity additional to the measure and the feed erosion of the pond slopes. Treatment: colloids or a small suspended particle, electrolytes such as alum. While the alum is efficient but reduces the alkalinity and pH, the lime can be added to the counteract this effect. Suspended clay or organics such as biorn mixture, cottonseed meal, and the superphosphate. Here is the effect is given and the suspended solid concentration is given. No harmful effect on fish, 25 milligram 1 minus 2 per liter minus 1, and acceptable range 25 to 80 milligram per liter minus 1. Detrimental to the fisheries 80 milligram per liter minus 1. Salinity. Salinity is measure of the total concentration of dissolved ions. Fresh water, high concentration of carbonate, salicylic acid, calcium, magnesium, sodium. Salinity seawater varies prominently to the coastline, rainfall, and river, and the other discharges. The chloride and sodium ion contribute to the major significance of the sulfate, and magnesium, calcium, phosphate, and the carbonate ion contribute to the lesser degree. The salinity is impiously important to the fish, such as the must maintain the concentration of dissolved salt their bodies at the fairly constant level through the process of osmoregulation. Here some species and their salinity concentration is given. Alkalinity. Alkalinity is a measure of acidic nutrient capacity of the water, and the alkalinity is a natural freshwater system ranges from the 5 milligram per liter minus 1 to the 5000 milligram per liter minus 1. Sea water is has a mean total alkalinity of 116 milligram per liter minus 1, and there are no direct effect on alkalinity on a fish and shellfish. Alkalinity protection of organism from the major carb in the pH, the metabolism, respiration of a fish organism is will equal to process waste and by the product which are can change the pH. Biological process can change the alkalinity itself by the producing or consumption of acid and base. Alkalinity is too low, less than the 20 milligram minus liter per minus 1. The water may not contain the sufficient carbon dioxide and dissolved carbonate for photosynthesis to occur, thus the restricting phycon growth. Here the total alkalinity and their effect is given. 15 to 20 phytoplankton produced below 30, the poorly buffered against the rapid pH change. 20 to 400 sufficient to most aquaculture purpose, and less than 100 to 150 is desirable. Thank you.